1963, a mysterious white powder was being called a miracle cancer cure. Doctors claimed it made tumors vanish. Patients clung to it as their last hope. The drug? Krebiozen, a name derived from the Greek word for that which regulates growth. Its creators said it was made from horse blood serum. No one knew the exact ingredients, but people were paying nearly $10 a vial, and that amount is approximately $104.51 in today's time. The FDA, they weren't convinced. They turned to one woman for the truth. She was one of the first black women scientists at both the National Institute of Health and the Food Drug Administration. Alma Levant Hayden was born in Greenville, South Carolina in 1927, graduated with honors from South Carolina State, earned her master's from Howard University. By the 1950s, she was one of the first black women scientists at the NIH. On September 3rd, 1963, she tested Krebiozen using infrared spectrophotometry. Her goal, identify the mystery drug by comparing its chemical fingerprint to known compounds. She compared the spectrum to over 20,000 known compounds to analyze a sample of Krebiozen. The results shocked even her team. The match? Creatine, which is a common amino acid derivative already found in the human body. It didn't have a drop of any cancer-fighting powers. No miracle, just deception. Krebiozen wasn't a secret cure. Hayden led a landmark FDA investigation. Her findings dismantled the lie and triggered criminal indictments. But when it came time to testify, she never appeared in court because she was never called to testify, even though she was the lead chemist of the spectrophotometry branch at the FDA. Why? The FDA leadership feared, in their words, that a black scientist might prejudice the case in front of a jury. She exposed one of the biggest medical frauds of her time and was pushed into the shadows. She uncovered the truth, but racism tried to silence her role in it. She proved the truth in a world built on doubt. Her data spoke, even when she wasn't allowed to. We do need to note that this was a 9-month trial, 42 charges, ended with all of them walking free. All of them, despite 42 federal charges, including mail fraud, mislabeling, false claims to the FDA, and conspiracy to defraud the public. They were acquitted on all counts. The charges were serious: transporting an unapproved drug across state lines, submitting false statements to federal authorities, and blocking government inspections. Conspiracy to hustle hope. But after all that, not guilty. Every single charge. Meanwhile, the black woman who exposed the lie, they left her name out the courtroom. She led the investigation. She uncovered the fraud. Alma Levant Hayden didn't need a courtroom. She had the data, and the data never lies. Say her name. Protect the truth. Her name was Alma Levant Hayden. Remember it. Repeat it. Respect it.